Hi guys, Richard at Orange Campers, and it's 2026. What's new, I hear you say, for 2026? Well, let me tell you, we've got a micro camper, new demonstrator being built as we speak, and it's going to be the new gas-free option, so gasless. And it's going to have the off-grid package built into there, which is available now. And what's that, I hear you say? Well, it's a 270 watt solar panel on the roof, and it comes with a 300 amp lithium battery and an EcoFlow unit, all built in and wired in together, so it works together while you're driving and so on, and uses all the sockets throughout the van, so it's fitted for you, ready to use. And that will provide you with mobile electricity, so you can be fully off grid wherever you wish, and you can have any electrical appliance on, hot plate, air fryer, anything you wish to choose. So what else is also in build? We've got the new medium wheelbase fixed rear bed layout being built. Now that'll be available for 2026, and we can have a look in a minute and see the lads in progress in that. So there's lots of new things coming on. There's also the shower option in the medium wheelbase, which is another thing for 2026. So that'll be available early January time or February time for you to view, and there's that option as well. So let's go and have a look what's happening in the workshop while we're here. Christmas is always a busy time here at Orange Campers. Everybody's getting their vans on order, ready for the new season or the new beginning of the year. We want to be out as early as possible. What have we got in build? We've got a new batch of medium wheelbases just come in. So these are on the Trouvaille Classique package with the 2 single seats, 2 single beds or 1 big double bed. So these are a really nice option. We've got a micro camper just ready to pick up. Now this one's a little bit different, and we'll show you that as well, because what it's going to be is this van's something a little bit different. Instead of having a double bed in there, it's got a single bed in there, so you can actually walk around in a micro camper. There will be a video to follow on that one, so keep your eyes open for that. Striking vans as always, but it's a new Vivaro, it's on the new shape, it's got the new dash in there, really modern, really high tech. It's much more sort of like the electric vehicle look. We've got a short wheelbase, one of the probably last short wheelbase high tops you'll ever see in build, and that's in progress at the minute. Some lucky person has secured the very last one we can imagine you'll ever find. And this is our new micro camper, what's in build at the minute. It's brand new, it's going into build. This will be available to see in January, and like I say, this is going to be the gasless one, and you'll be able to hire this as well, because it will go onto our try before you buy hire fleet. So that'd be a lovely thing to do. All LED lights, new dash, everything's really modern on these new vans now. They drive lovely, and the only good thing about a demonstrator is I get to use it as my car, so I may end up driving that more and more. Next to that, we've got a micro camper in build, another new one as well. A lot of these new shapes are coming through now, much more modern look about them, new dash and everything, like I say. And so this one again, a little bit different. We've adapted this one for somebody. It's having an electric rear bed, and it's having a wider wardrobe for the wheelchair to slide into. So there's lots of little bits and tweaks we can offer on these micro campers. Now next to that is our new medium wheelbase fixed rear bed. It's on the new Series 2 as always, brand new vehicle. It's got the awning just been fitted, John's in here working away. So this will be a big fixed rear bed, side kitchen and so on. So that'll be exciting, you'll be able to see that when it's in build. Got another medium wheelbase in build. We've got another one outside waiting to come in. So these are coming through thick and fast now. And this is a traditional one as well. So it's all go here at Orange Campers. Lots of vans on the order. Some lucky people will be getting their van for Christmas. How nice is that? I think we've got about 3, maybe 4 vans just before Christmas being handed over, which is a lovely Christmas present. At least I will getting one for Christmas. If you want any further information, head over to our website, and we'll see you soon.